Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to check out this awesome 2006 Toyota Camry XLE V6 that I just got in from Southern California. This is an awesome car. Like I said, 2006 with 46,000 original miles. This one is a two-owner car in one of my favorite Toyota colors, Aspen Green Pearl. Pretty rare color. I've had a couple Highlanders over the years in this color and a handful of Camrys. It's not a very common color and it's really, really pretty. Absolutely love it. Looks great on the Camry, especially with the light beige interior. And this example, you guys, is absolutely as nice as they come. Got the very 90s, 2000s pinstripe, which I totally dig. This car is in phenomenal condition. Paint, body, everything on it is absolutely laser straight. Does not have a ding or a dent or a scratch. The car is in phenomenal condition. All original, clean Carfax, no accidents, no damage history. Every panel still wears the original VIN sticker. And this thing is just as clean as they come. 15-inch aluminum wheels. Wheels are in great shape. No curb rash or nicks or anything like that. Brand new GT all-terrain, or sorry, all-season tires in the front, and we matched them up with the rears. The rears were about 80-90% new, so we were able to match them up on the front. So we've got matching tires all the way around. That's a big thing for me. I hate mismatched tires, so if you buy a car from me, the tires will always match. Front end is in terrific condition. No road rash, no paint chips. Headlights are crystal clear, no fading, no fogging. And this car, you guys, quite literally, it does not have a rock chip. You can see here just how exceptional it is. It's pretty phenomenal. No scrapes or anything down low on the bumper. Well, I lied. This had two tiny little scrapes down low, but you've got to get down low to see them. And honestly, that is pretty much the extent of anything on the whole car, on the exterior, guys. It is in phenomenal condition. No fading or anything up on the roof, trunk, hood, all the paint looks terrific. Obviously, this is a rust-free Southern California car. No rust, no corrosion, anything at all underneath. It is just clean as can be. No leaks. Mechanically, the car is very sound. We just got done putting it through the shop and servicing everything. New brakes, new fluids, new filters. Everything's done. Everything is serviced. Like I mentioned, brand new tires up front. This thing is just awesome. On the inside is the best part of it. As nice as the outside is, you guys, the interior is absolutely brand new. It still looks new, it still smells new, it still feels new. It quite literally is brand new. It is amazing. The carpets are absolutely perfect. No stains, no marks. Seats are original upholstery. Very, very good shape. Bolsters aren't broken down. There's no rips. There's no previous repairs. This is the original leather. It's in amazing condition. 8-way power seat with lumbar support here on the driver's side. 46,952 original miles. Like I mentioned on all of my videos, you guys, the steering wheel is always one of the first things I look at. Look at the steering wheel on this car. It's like somebody wore gloves. Every little, you can see everything, all the graining, everything is there, and it's perfect. There's no dirt, there's no wear, nothing. It's like brand new. It's just exceptional. Buttons, everything. It's like no wear. It's like somebody wore gloves. It has the JBL stereo with the 6-disc in-dash CD changer and cassette. Fully automatic climate control. We do have heated front seats. Leather wrapped shift knob. Same story, you guys. It is absolutely brand new. Got a little compartment right here for your sunglasses and whatnot. And then you've got two cup holders right here. Then this has kind of the two-tiered little center console. You've got the smaller one up here and the bigger one underneath it. Center console lid, same story. Terrific, terrific condition. Door panels, dash, everything in this car, you guys, is absolutely like brand new. Headliner, No rips, no tears, no snags, no stains. Home-link garage door openers up here by the sunglass holder, and the power sunroof works perfectly. Back here in the back, same story. It's perfect. Like I mentioned before, every single VIN sticker on every single panel is present. Carpets in the back. Look underneath the seats, you guys. Look how clean that is. Absolutely perfect. These carpets are in perfect condition. We've got the original carpeted floor mats. They're in great shape. And they are included with the car. No wear or marks or anything on the backs of the seats. Leather's in perfect condition here in the back. Got the fold down center armrest with some cup holders there. And then this does have the 60-40 split folding rear seat with access to the trunk. So if you need to put longer items in, you have that capability. Then back here in the trunk, it's like brand new. It's like nothing's ever been sat in here. Original trunk mat, original first aid kit, full-size matching spare tire with all the tools and everything underneath. And in case somebody locks you in the trunk, you have your emergency glow-in-the-dark trunk release handle. Kidnapping not happening in this car. VIN stickers, seats, leather, perfect, absolute perfection. No marks. This car, I literally don't think anybody ever sat in the back of this car. It is just unreal how clean it is. Nothing under the seats. There's not even a crumb. There's not a soda stain. Nothing. Interior is absolutely perfect. Both keys, both remotes, everything's there and included. Same story up front, you guys. Carpets are perfect, seats are perfect. Everything's perfect. No cracks in the dash. This is part of the generation of the cracked dashes. This dash has either been replaced, but likely is the original one. But there is no cracks whatsoever. Original owner's manual and everything right here in the glove compartment. And then underneath the hood, one of my favorite engines that Toyota has ever made. That would be the 1MZ FE 3.3 liter V6. This was the Camry Sienna motor for about 10 years. They used this in the Highlanders and the Highlander hybrids. Just a terrific engine. This is a timing belt engine before they went to the timing chain. This one still has the original timing belt on it. We pulled the cover off to look at it. The timing belt was still in terrific condition. All the writing, everything still clearly visible. No cracks, no wear. The belt was in exceptional condition. So we left it be, didn't change it because it looked great. Everything else though, we serviced and went through. Original VIN stickers here on the fenders, both sides, and up here on the hood. So all your VIN stickers are there. Engine compartment is as clean as can be. No rust, no corrosion, absolutely no issues. This car is absolutely exceptional. So you guys, if you are looking for an awesome Camry, this is the 06, this is the last year of this generation. This is probably my favorite body style Camry ever, mostly because I'm a little partial to them because I sold these new. And in case you were wondering, I was the 2004 Southeast Toyota delivery champion with the 2004 Camry. So if you have any questions about 2004 Camrys, well, I won the delivery competition for Southeast Toyota, which was 5 states. You guys, in 2004, I was the best at the delivery process on the 04 Camry of all the Toyota salesmen in the Southeast United States in 2004. So, only thing I've ever won. Anyway, there you go, you guys. Love Toyotas, love this one. 06, 46,000 miles. Doesn't get any better than this. Have an awesome day.